Guys, welcome back to this tutorial, and you know that we have started the video editing this thing, and now we are in this thing. We are going to teach you some features in this now. So I have uploaded the first episode of this video. You can go and watch it right away, and today I'm going to upload the second episode so you can see, right? So now I'm going to teach you some features in this place, so you will not forget. Now, the other day, our last feature that I talked in the video was text. So from today, we are going to talk about effects. Today, we are going to talk about effects. We are going to talk about filter. We are going to talk about overlay, PIP. We are going to talk about PIP. We are going to talk about precut. We are going to talk about splint. We are going to talk about delete. So another one, we are going to talk about I'm going to talk about background. So we are going to talk about background. We are going to talk about speed. We are going to talk about animation, AI cut, and crop. So you can see. So we are going to make sure that we show everything now. This one we are going to talk about switch, the enhance, the stabilize, the cut out, the max. So this one is going to be a long video. So just stick with me. We are going to talk about the opacity, the replace, the voice edit. So we have a lot of feature here. We're going to talk about rotate. We are going to talk about freeze. We are going to talk about reverse. We are going to talk about erase. Now, if I can't finish everything in this video, I'm going to do the third episode so you guys can see. Now let's talk about effects. Now this is under effect. You have this thing here. You have effect, you have AI effect, you have filter, we have adjust. Now let's talk about adjust first. Now you can see this is how my video look like. This is normal my video. This is normal my video. Let me pocket. This is normal video. This is how I recorded the video. This is how I recorded the video. This is how I recorded the video. You can see how it look now. Let me see. You can see how it look now. So I said I'm going to teach you how to color grade your video. Now this is how you will color grade your video. The first thing that you are going to do is lightness. You can see this is lightness. It's what we are going to talk about. So the first thing we are going to talk about is lightness. The second one we are going to use is contrast. The third one we are going to use is warm. The third one we are going to use is saturation, and the last one that we are going to use is called sharpening. You can see it's called sharpening. Now let's go and start on lightning. I did on lightning now. Normally lightning you don't need to increase, you just have to reduce it back. You can stay 15, you can stay 20, anyone you like. So let me just stay on 20 for now. Let me stay on 20. I now add the contrast. On contrast, I can just put 0.9 plus 9. Now warm, I can just put plus 9 plus 6 also. Saturation I just plus 7. Let me say plus 9. Then sharpening I can just say plus 62. Now if I play the video, you can see the color has changed. You can see the color has changed. You can see now. If I want to change the color, you can see. If I you can see that the color has changed. You can see everything. Now you can see now. So I'm teaching how you can color grade your video. So today we are going to how you can color grade your video. You can see now. So this is what you call color grading. So all those features that are here, you can see all those features, all of them are useful. You can see now this here, you can just go and test them and see how they look like. You can see now. You can see all these things are what they are useful. You understand? They are useful. You can just go and test them and see how they look like. Now we have color, we have shadow, we have highlight, we have fade, we have curve, we have tint, we have many things here. You can just go take how they look, take how they work. You understand? Look, draw them, go back, draw them, go front, see the effect on the video. Then you can know maybe you should add 20 or you should reduce 20. Now This one is curve. You can see. If I draw this one come down, you will see the way it is. If I draw it go up, you will see the way it is. You see the way it is. You can just, if I draw this one go down, you see the way it is. You can see all these things are tools that people are using to what, to edit video. You understand? To edit, all these things are tools that people are using to edit video. You understand? So that is how it is. Now, when we call to fade, you want this thing to fade, you can see it will fade. If you come to highlight, you can see the way the highlight look like. Let me remove the fade. You can see the way the highlight look like. If you come to shadow, you see the way the shadow look like. Just make sure you put your mind in what I'm teaching you. Make sure you put your mind in what I'm teaching you, so you will not. Now, the next one we have is vignette. So vignette is actually, if you want to create maybe black around you, you can see vignette I create black around me. You can see, sorry, vignette has created black around me. You can see the black. You can see that if I promote it, the black will not remove. You will remove. You can see that. You can see that. All this I'm teaching you for free, so you can know how to do your own video. You can just come back anytime and come and watch the video, and you know how it goes. So this one is called gray. Now you can see. You can see. Let me remove the vintage, so you can vignette, so you can see how the gray work. You can see. Let me remove the gray first. You can see that you realize say something they different. So another one is called film grade. This is adjusting. This is what you call color grading. You can see now color grading. You can see now you color grade your video from how you record it to another how do I call it, to to uh to another this thing, to another video, to another this thing. You can see that is what I'm saying. You can see now. You can see now. You can see now. You can see all these things are tools that you can actually use. All right. So I don't want this video to be very long. So that is how color grading work. So in my next video, all these tools that are here, we are going to explore how to use them before we enter professional settings. You understand? So we're going to, dive into is how to use them one after the other. So effect, now we have know how to use uh, adjust. Now let's go to filter. How to use filter. So under filter, you can see you can choose any filter that you want. It will change the video. Any filter they call pro. You can use any filter that you want. All those one that get red mark, yeah, are not what you can use. You understand? So just use anyone that you want. Okay. Now under AI effect, we also have many things other there. You can see that this one give me blur background. You can just test them out. Test them and see how they work. You can see all these things, they have their way, they work, how they work. You can see. You can see. Just test them out. You may be seeing all this thing for internet. This is how they are doing it too. There's no trick there. There's no simple trick there. So once you add it, you can see all these things. Once you add it, there's nothing happen. You may be seeing this thing like a ghost. You see now, it will give me like a ghost. It's very simple if you know how to do it. You can just come and do it. This one is for speed. You can just doing it. So all these things are very what? They are very easy. You understand? They are very easy. If you know how to do them, you will enjoy them. You can see. You can see. You can see now. You can see now. So now, after this one, what we are going to talk about is effect gong gong gong. Now let's talk about effect. You can see this is effect slow zone. This one is snow. You can see it will be generating snow. This one is jump zone. You understand? This one is zoom out. This one is trembling. All this you may be seeing a video whereby thunder is tracking. This thing is that. This is how they do it. Let me go and bring thunder so you can see. You see rain now. You see rain. You see rain. You see rain. You see lightning. You don't see lightning. You don't see lightning. You don't see lightning now. That is how they are doing it too. That's how they are doing it. See. You don't see some place go Alright. So all this thing is very easy if you know how to do it. That is all about color grading today. Now, like, subscribe to this channel, and next one we are going to talk about the this what they call it, this one, and the next one we are going to explore them one after the other. You understand? So that is all about today. I don't want the video too long so that you guys will not complain that the video is too long go. So after you watch this one finish, you can watch another one. Now, thank you. God bless you. That is all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you.